Today I'm going to show you how to sugar your own eyebrows. I don't have much hair right now, but I'm going to show you the technique of how this works. I have my larger strip left and I cut 2 smaller strips out of it. I have my small stick and I have clean, dry skin. No lotion or oils because you will not stick to your skin if you have lotion or oil on your face. So you definitely want to make sure that you have clean, dry skin. So I'm just pulling a little bit of sugar paste out of my tub right here. Okay, and here we go. I am going to start up here at the top and come across. And I've got a little chunk right here. I'm gonna pull that off so I don't make too much of a mess. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to get my strip and I'm going to apply it against the hair growth. Make sure when you're applying it, it's nice and thin, because if it's thick, it'll squeeze down into the eyebrow hair you don't want. And then I am going to flick in the natural direction. And any little hairs I had. And then what I could do if I wanted was lay it right back down over here, right in that little sector, rub, 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 and flick and press. And you would do the same thing for the middle. Sometimes I like to make my strips really small and then I could really see what I'm doing. So into any hairs I don't want it to. Rub, 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 and pull down. Rub, 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 and pull down. Now for under your eyebrow, I am going to draw my line and gently applying against the hair growth. If I can do this in my phone, you can do this at home in a large mirror or have a friend help you out. It gets stringy sometimes, as you can see. Okay, and I'm going to grab my other strip and I'm going to apply and pull. And if there's any sugar left on there, I'm just gonna rub, 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 and pull. And get those little stickies off. Here we go. So I really just went around and cleaned up my little stragglers. And do you see how it doesn't leave you red or hot or really irritated? If it's your first time, you might get a little bit red, or if you have really sensitive skin, but the sugar paste is really gentle. It's just a skin exfoliation. Remember that. So after I do that, I'm going to take my Sunshine Skin Toner and I'm going to spray a little bit onto my finger, and then I would apply above and below just to help calm the skin, close the pores. And if I did have really sensitive skin, I would get a little bit of the mini mud bath and I would mix a little bit with water, and then I would apply it for about 5 minutes, just real gently on any area on my face, and then wipe it off with a gentle cloth or wash your face, and that really helps calm the skin. If you are prone to like the little whiteheads, they're really white blood cells that rush to the area to protect it. So if you are prone to that, or you just really sensitive skin, definitely get the little mini mud bath, and you just need a little bit, apply it, wipe it off, and you're all set. So there's your little mini eyebrow basic sugaring tutorial, nothing too fancy. All right, thanks.